Oh yeah, thank you for being in my kitchen, where we're always on a mission to find nutrition. As you can see, we're making a swole bowl, baby. Now, what you got over here is some 100% organic, grass-fed ground beef. And I put one of these Tasty Bite packages on it. It's banging, and there's only 3 grams of sugar. Tasty Bite, Indian vegetable korma, bomb. Now to put my own Samoan twist on it, we got over here frying up an egg, baby. Looks like it's about time to flip it. Bam! Anyways, so yeah, going back to the Tasty Bites, it's only 3 grams of sugar. It says 19% of your daily sodium needs. That's one thing is a red flag, right? If it's high in the percentage or something, that means it's concentrated. It's a time saver, and that's how you have to do. Do what you have to do. Bada bing. Bada boom bing.